Meet Rob, the star CEO of a fast-scaling electronic components manufacturer. However, rapid growth is presenting new challenges for Rob's team. With operations getting complex, processes like training, supervising, data management, and inventory management are posing compliance and accuracy threats while shooting up costs. But Rob is a smart chap and knows precisely where the answer lies. He opts for robotic process automation, a technology that utilizes software robots to emulate human execution of business processes. RPA performs tasks on a computer. Using the same interface a human worker would, it clicks, it types, it opens applications and uses keyboard shortcuts. Smart robots can capture data, run applications, trigger responses, and communicate with other systems to perform a variety of tasks. RPA is versatile, flexible, and invasive enough to integrate seamlessly into Rob's organization's existing IT infrastructure and adjust as and when operations scale. Rob's team can now shift its focus from daily firefighting to the more critical aspects involving planning and strategizing, thus getting a distinct edge over the competitors. Work smart like Rob and let intelligent RPA combat your operational challenges. Talk to us for a free consultation on how we can help you solve problems by leveraging RPA.